Old Harbour Primary are the champions of the Windalco St. Catherine Parish Primary competition for their second time, following a convincing 56-run win over Linstead Primary in this week's final at Windalco. In the 15 over per side contest, Old Harbour posted 104 for 4, thanks to 18 each from Everton Mullings and Devontae Campbell. Romeo Edwards was the pick of the bowlers with 3 for 19, along with support from Akil Berry, 2 for 23. That 104 proved a mountain for Linstead as they were routed for just 48. Adina Edwards 4 for 5 and Adina McCullough 3 for 9 were the chief wicket takers. Old Harbour were the inaugural champions in 2015.
We were hoping that we would have won the toss so that we could insert the opposition and so forth, but unfortunately we didn't. We lost the toss, and so we had to re-strategize and so forth, because over the last 4 or 5 matches we batted last, but in this game we had to bat first, and so we had to put the runs on the board, and I knew once we put the runs on the board we were going to defend that because we have the bowlers to do the job and so forth.
Get some couple of wickets, thank God for the winnings, play good, win, go and get the trophy. Thanks for the coaches too. If I never them, couldn't learn how to do so much things. So thanks for everything.
16 schools took part in the competition from the Linstead, Yoaton, Old Harbour and the Spanish Town region, which also included girls.
We are expecting more teams next year, more talent to look at, because we want to pick out the best players, and also especially the girls. We want to take the girls who have been playing and have them into a little camp so that we can present them to Jamaica cricket for more development, because that is one of the things we want to do.